Hello friends, welcome to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the family. Today on the menu is Ghana style chicken soup. I have here my chicken, my onion, bell pepper, tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, my carrots, my fresh ginger, my garlic and habanero pepper, chicken seasoning, my natural spices, salt, Aniseed, rosemary, 1 star cube, and my fresh basil. Let's start cooking, guys. So I'll begin by adding my chicken seasoning, my salt, and all natural spices to my chicken. And in the blender, I have 1 onion, my habanero pepper, garlic, ginger, anise seed, and rosemary. And there's my blended vegetables, and I'm adding it all to my chicken. And we'll make sure to rinse our blender to add it to the chicken. I'm now giving it a very quick mix, making sure that all the salt and the marinade goes in very well. I'll then cover it up and let it steam for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and I went ahead and blended my green bell peppers, and I'm adding that also to my chicken. You can also add your green bell pepper together with your onion, garlic, and the other vegetables, but I chose to go this route today. And I love it looking like this, guys. We'll go ahead and give it a nice mix. Yes, look at how delicious it looks already. And guys, making Ghana style chicken soup, we use the hard chicken. We also call it guinea fowl. You can use any chicken of your choice, guys. It works very well. My chicken is looking good, so I'll then go ahead and add my 2 fresh tomatoes. I'll add my carrot, and my carrot is going to serve as a thickener for my soup. And then I'm adding water. I went ahead and added 12 cups of water to my pot or to my soup. Okay, and my pot is an 8-quart pot. Yes, it's an 8-quart pot. So I added 12 cups of water to the soup. And then I'll be adding 2 whole onions into the soup as well. And what I do is I like to cut the onion halfway, and then I go ahead and put it in the soup. All right, so my soup has begun boiling. I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste. There's my tomato paste. And I'm using 6 ounces of tomato paste, which is 1 whole small can of tomato paste to my soup. And I'll make sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements in my description, guys. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification, so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified, guys. Thank you so much for doing that. God bless you. All right, my soup is looking good. So now I'll go ahead and use my wooden spoon to mix in the tomato paste so that it also cooks faster together with the soup. My soup is seriously boiling right now. Guys, this is my favorite soup. I feel like this soup is healing. It has all the powerful ingredients in it, guys. And I hope you try it. All right, so the soup is coming along very, very well. Yes, and I'm using my wooden spoon again to make sure the tomato paste is mixed into the soup very, very well. Yes, and guys, the soup will also splash a little bit when making it. All you have to do is lower your stove or your gas. And I'm making my soup on a medium high heat. And then when it really boils too much, I would just then lower it. All right, so I'm now removing my onions and my carrots out of the soup to blend. I've also removed my fresh tomatoes, and guys, I will make sure to fish out all of my 10 carrots that I put in the soup. Yes, and I'll be blending it and putting it back into my soup. The soup is coming along very well. All right, here is my blended up vegetables. So this blend here is my one red onion, my yellow onion, and my carrot and fresh tomatoes. And I'm gonna take some of the soup to rinse the blender, because at this point, guys, I am not adding any more water to my soup. Yes, I don't like my soup too light. I like it just right, because I like to enjoy the soup also as it is. And guys, my soup is looking delicious. I'll go ahead and add my 1-star cube to the soup, and my soup is getting ready to be done. And not forgetting my fresh basil, guys. The fresh basil changes the whole taste, and it makes the soup taste delicious and fresh. Oh my goodness, guys. This is what makes it Ghana style chicken soup. And the soup is coming along very well. And you want to taste for salt, guys. I'm doing my taste test. You want to taste for salt. If you want more salt, go ahead and add the salt. Okay, but the salt was just perfect for me. Guys, look at the texture of the soup. This is how I like my Ghana chicken soup. Yes, and my soup is done. I'll enjoy my soup with fufu. That is what a typical Ghanaian will enjoy their soup with. And this is my fufu, guys. Yes, and I'll be putting 4 chicken on there. All right, so this is how we enjoy our chicken soup with fufu. And my husband would also have just the soup as it is with rice, because he does not like fufu. But that's okay. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.